जो फिल्म है द कश्मीर फाइल्स, इसने एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया है पहली बार विश्व के इतिहास में।
मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं किसी चीज में वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ूंगी, लेकिन मैंने तोड़ दिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनते देखना अपने आंखों के सामने बड़ी बात है, वो भी जलेबी का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड।
मेरी कंपनी कैरबे वाटर एंड सोडा ने इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में अपना नाम दर्ज कर लिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड की हैट्रिक बना के अपना नाम इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स दर्ज करवा जा रही है।
Hello everyone, if you are bored of A for apple, B for ball, I have something very interesting for you. Do you know there are 195 countries in the world? If yes, can you tell the names of all of them? If still yes, can you tell the names of them in alphabetical order? Is it too hard?
For me, it is.
Obviously, it's very hard for me as well. So let me introduce the child prodigy 8-year-old Yuvan Saxena, class 3rd student in DPS Hyderabad, who can recite all 195 country names in alphabetical order. In other way, we can say 15,000 letters in perfect sequence he can tell. From Afghanistan to Zimbabwe, he has memorized them all.
So that he can tell the location of any country in the globe.
And fortunately, we are the proud parents of Yuvan.
A is for Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, Andorra, Angola, Antarctica, Antigua and Barbuda, Argentina, Armenia, Australia, Austria, Azerbaijan. B is for Bahamas, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Barbados, Belarus, Belgium, Belize and Benin, Bhutan, Bolivia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Botswana, Brazil, Brunei and Bulgaria, Burkina Faso, Burundi. C is for Cambodia, Cameroon, Canada, Cape Verde, Central African Republic, Chad, Chile, China, Colombia, Comoros, Costa Rica, Croatia, Cuba, Cyprus, Czech Republic. D is for Denmark, Djibouti, Dominica, a Democratic Republic of the Congo and Dominican Republic. E is for Ecuador, Egypt, El Salvador, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Estonia, Eswatini, Ethiopia. F is for Fiji, Finland and France. G is for Gabon, Gambia, Georgia, Germany, Ghana, Greece, Grenada, Guatemala, Guinea-Bissau, Guyana. H is for Haiti, Honduras and Hungary. I is for Iceland, India, Indonesia, Iran, Iraq, Israel, Italy and Ivory Coast. J is for Jamaica, Japan, Jordan. K is for Kazakhstan, Kenya, Kiribati, Kuwait and Kyrgyzstan. L is for Laos, Latvia, Lebanon, Lesotho, Liberia, Libya and Lithuania, Luxembourg. M is for Macedonia, Madagascar, Malawi, Malaysia, Malta, Marshall Islands, Mauritania, Mauritius, Mexico, Micronesia, Moldova, Monaco, Montenegro, Morocco, Mozambique, Myanmar. N for Namibia, Nauru, Nepal, Netherlands, Zealand, Nicaragua, Niger, Nigeria, North Korea, North Sudan and Norway. O is for Oman, P is for Pakistan, Palau, Palestine, Panama, Papua New Guinea, Paraguay, Peru, Philippines, Poland, Portugal. Q is for Qatar, R is for Republic of the Congo, Romania, Russia and Rwanda. S is for St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and Samoa, San Marino, Sao Tome and Principe, Saudi Arabia, Senegal, Serbia, Sierra Leone, Singapore, Slovakia, Slovenia, Solomon Islands, Somalia, South Africa, South Korea, South Sudan, Spain, Sri Lanka, Suriname, Sweden, Switzerland, Syria. T is for Tajikistan, Tanzania, Thailand, Timor-Leste, Togo, Tonga, Trinidad and Tobago, Tunisia, Turkey, Turkmenistan and Tuvalu. U is for Uganda, Ukraine, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States, Uruguay and Uzbekistan. V is for Vanuatu, Vatican City, Venezuela, Vietnam. W is for West Indies and Western Sahara. X is for no country. Y is for Yemen. Z is for Zimbabwe and Zambia.